When it comes to those chip shortages, what were the key takeaways?
Well, the first thing to say, Nintendo was really quite blunt about it. President Shuntaro Furukawa said he sees no sign of the component shortage recovering. And that actually echoes Lenovo, the Chinese company, which also disclosed its earnings yesterday. And the Lenovo CEO said it's not easing at all. There'll be no relief through the first half of 2022 as far as Lenovo's outlook goes. So these companies that have more of a exposure to the consumer market, Lenovo, Nintendo, they actually contradict Qualcomm, which presents the other side of the coin, as you guys just mentioned earlier. So chip makers themselves are seeing a bit more of a recovery. If you look at measures such as lead times, these are the waiting times for when you can get your chips in to start assembling things, those have stopped increasing. So they're at least plateauing there. But in terms of the consumer market and impact, Lenovo and Nintendo are saying no sign of recovery yet.
Well, let's look at the size of that cut from 25.5 million units down to 24 million units. So it wasn't anything too drastic. Does this new figure seem achievable, and might Nintendo need to take another look at it?
Well, in this situation, Nintendo's traditionally highly conservative forecasts playing in its favor. Analysts would have expected something close to 28 million for the year. So it looks like it's a smaller cut than it might be in reality. In reality, Nintendo might have been able to do more. Again, the president did say Nintendo will not have enough components to satisfy demand for this year. So if you want to switch, they're still going to be in short supply, especially the latest Switch OLED model. And the company did reserve the right to revise the outlook if the situation on the supply chain changed.